What's going on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you how to correctly pick peppers to maximize your pepper plant's production, because chances are you're probably picking peppers all wrong. As gardeners, it is our goal to get our plants to produce as much as possible, but that's not the goal of our plants themselves. All they really want to do is produce mature seed in order to perpetuate another generation of the species, and they don't necessarily feel like they have to overproduce to get that done. They just need to produce just enough. It is our goal as gardeners to exploit our plants' biology and convince them to produce as many fruits as possible. And for our pepper plants, we achieve this by picking the fruit as early and often as possible. That's because this plant really wants to produce mature seed to perpetuate the species. So if we keep picking the fruits off early and often, that sends a signal to the plant that there are pests in the area that are pilfering all of the fruits. So they need to double down on fruit production and produce an excess of flowers and as many fruits as possible in hopes that they can beat the pests to them and outcompete them and produce lots of mature seed. So when it comes to our pepper plants, the more we pick, the more we get. Now you may be wondering, well, that's all well and good if I want green peppers, but what if I want my peppers to change colors? What if I want my jalapeno peppers to turn red? Or I'm growing a red or yellow or orange bell pepper and I want them to turn. Well, in that case, you have no choice but to let your plants load up with fruits and to allow the fruits to hang on the plants until they begin to change colors, because if you pick them green, they will not change colors on their own once they're pulled off the plant. So unfortunately, that is going to somewhat suppress the pepper's productivity, and that's truly why colored bell peppers are so much more expensive than green bell peppers. When you pick the green bell peppers a lot, they produce a lot more. So if you're harvesting them green, the plant is going to be more productive. But if you want fully mature, fully colored peppers, you're going to have to let them hang, and that's going to suppress the productivity and extend how much time it takes for them to mature. So if your goal is to grow a lot of colored peppers, your best bet is to plant additional plants, because your productivity is going to be lower than if you pick them all green readily and frequently. But the good news is the vast majority of peppers that we grow, we harvest green. So in those cases, we want to pick them as early and often as possible and not let the fruit hang and mature and siphon all that energy off of the plants and allow them to produce mature seed. The other bit of good news is if you like really hot, small fruited peppers like Thai chilies, cayenne peppers, Tabasco, habaneros, those plants are usually so prolific and small fruited that you can allow those fruits to hang and fully change color on the plants, because they produce so many, we can't really use them all anyway. And a lot of those fruits are so hot, we can't eat them all anyway. So for that reason, it usually doesn't negatively impact the overall production because they're so incredibly prolific. But just remember, when it comes to peppers, the more you pick, the more you get. So the earlier and more frequently you can harvest your peppers, the more they will give you. For more information on growing peppers for maximum harvest, I'll link to a video both above and down in the video description. It is a complete pepper growing guide that I just made. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.